Creating a biogas unit with 200-liter barrels offer an accessible and sustainable solution for households seeking to reduce organic waste while generating clean energy. These units, often constructed using simple material and techniques, optimize the spirit, DIY sustainability, and environmental stewardship. The process begins with the section of suitable barrels, typically two 200-liter containers, which will serve as the primary digester and gas holder. These barrels, when properly sealed and interconnected, create an anaerobic environmental conducive to the decomposition of organic matter and the production of biogas. To construct the biogas unit, the first barrel acts as a digester, where the organic waste such as kitchen scrap, food leftover, and animal manure is deposited. It is essential to strike the balance between the carbon-rich and nitrogen-rich materials to facilitate efficiently decomposition and gas production. The waste is mixed with the water to form a slurry, ensuring optimal condition for microbiology activity. A simple inlet is installed at the top of the digester barrel to facilitate the addition of organic waste, while the gas outlet at the bottom allows for the collection of biogas. The second barrel serves as the gas holder, capturing the storing the biogas produced during the anaerobic digestive process. A pipe connects to the two barrels, allowing biogas to flow from the digester to the gas holder while preventing the ingress of air. The beauty of home biogas units lies in simplicity and adaptability to local conditions. With minimal maintenance and upkeep, household and harness of power of organic waste to produce biogas for cooking, heating, and lighting. In addition to generating renewable energy, the byproduct of the anaerobic digestion process, known as the digester, serve as a nutrition-rich fertilizer for garden and crops, closing the loop of organic waste management. Moreover, the construction of home biogas unit fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility for environmental stewardship. Through knowledge sharing and collaboration, households can collectively reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainable living practices. In conclusion, the creation of home biogas unit using 200-liter barrels exemplifies the beauty of the simplicity and sustainability. By harnessing to the power of organic waste, households can generate clean energy, enrich the soil, and cultivate a deeper connection to the natural world. In a time of growing environmental awareness and urgency, these DIY solutions offer a beacon of hope and possibility for a more sustainable future. Thank you.